Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. We are here at Barrett-Jackson early in the morning before all the crowd show up to bring you an exclusive look at this gorgeous, all-original 1979 International Harvester Scout 2. We're going to do a quick look at the exterior, we're going to check out the powertrain, check out the interior, and just talk a little bit about its history. Alright guys, so let's take a ride back to 1979. This was a time when the SUV scene was just heating up with names like the Chevy Blazer and the Ford Bronco leading the pack. But there was another contender, one that gained serious respect in collector circles, the International Harvester Scout 2. This one here was originally sold on September 5th, 1980 to Richard Landon of Scottsdale, Arizona, and later passed to just one other owner, John Gursky of New Jersey, who preserved and restored it meticulously over more than 2 decades. This thing is backed by just an incredible paper trail, from the original window sticker to service receipts and even the release of a lien letter. Taking a look at the gorgeous exterior, notice it's finished in its original burnt orange paint. This Scout 2 looks exactly how it did back when it was delivered new. It was rust-free before the restoration and retains all the original sheet metal. The repaint was done professionally to show quality standards, and as you can tell, all the body panels line up beautifully. You'll notice that classic removable hardtop, which has never been taken off. Definitely one of the things that made the Scout stand out. As we take a step back, it does look a little bit taller than it did back in the day. This thing is sitting on a Skyjacker 4-inch lift kit, and it features soft ride hydro shocks on all 4 corners. It even rides on factory correct International Rally 15-inch chrome wheels. As we look at the tires, these are a bit unique. They are period appropriate. They're Goodyear Wrangler tires, but the size, get this, 31 by 10.5 R15. They're completely re-chromed on the wheels, the center caps, everything works as it should. The lights, the signals, the horn, all in proper working order. As we take a look under the hood, check out how clean this is. Again, this is a matching numbers 345 cubic inch V8. It does have the 4-barrel carburetor, and despite this thing's age, it didn't need a rebuild. I think that's likely because of the careful ownership, just 2 owners, and it has pretty low miles on it. As you can probably see, the valve covers and oil pan have been repainted, and it's now upgraded with a Hertronics electric ignition system. What that's going to do is make sure this thing starts up quick and reliably every single time. Cooling does come courtesy of a replacement radiator, and it breathes through that original exhaust piping, but it has been enhanced by a Flowmaster muffler. Power is transferred via the original TorqueFlite 727 automatic transmission, which, what I've heard, shifts smoothly and has recently been serviced. So this thing's in tip-top shape. All that power is going to be sent to the posi rear end. It does have a gear ratio of 354. Now, the engine, the transmission, it hasn't left this vehicle, which I think is really, really cool, and just keeps that originality aspect there. Gotta love it. As we take a peek at what lies on this interior, check this thing out. Talk about a classic. It does feature the mostly original russet vinyl, including the bucket seats, folding rear seats, and on the door panels. The tan perforated headliner and visors, as you can see, are just in great shape. Now, one period detail that is very unique is a cowboy hat holder that was installed by the first owner, and you can also find a dealer installed roll bar in the rear. Up front, the tilt steering wheel, the dash, fascia, and the instrument cluster remain in excellent condition. Some of the gauges, like the fuel and oil pressure indicators, have been replaced, but they've been replaced with new old stock units. Another cool thing about this is it does contain the original owner's manual, and it also features some tasteful upgrades. We've got a JVC stereo, odometer tachometer, and a custom center console with that gorgeous wood grain finish. And most importantly, everything works. The gauges, the stereo, the lights, even the factory AC. A cool fact about this thing is it has won 12 East Coast Scout Regional Awards and 5 Scout National Awards, including Best in Show, Best Engine, Best Paint, and Best Interior. With an exceptional documented history, a fantastic restoration, and just 2 owner history, this thing is wicked cool. I'm very excited to see what it's going to cross the block for here at Barrett-Jackson. I would love to hear what you guys think about it down below in the comments. Obviously, these originals are really cool, but are you someone who prefers more of the resto mod approach to get some maybe modern reliability? I would love to hear it down in the comments below. That's going to be it for today's video. Remember, if you're in the market for a collector vehicle of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com. That's going to be our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. Also, check out AutoHunter.com. That's going to be our 7-day online auction. Lots of cool stuff over there, so go on over and check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.